This gun is pure, unadulterated sexiness. I mean, it's like John Wick meets James Bond, and they had a baby called the Sig P211-GTO. Hey, what's up, guys? Many of you that know me know that some of the shooting courses and the things that I teach, I am not a big gun collector, guys. I don't just collect guns because I need all these guns. I actually have pretty much two sets of guns. I have 5.56 and I have 9mm platforms, and those 5.56 are M4. The reason I do that is I want interchangeable magazines. I want my family totally kitted out. They have both primaries and secondaries. I have primary, secondaries. And if the world goes to hell in a handbasket, I want to be able to hand off mags or take mags as necessary. That being said, I've been looking at the Staccato, but I was like, man, the mags don't work with my gun, so I don't need another gun that has separate mags. Guys, super excited. Sig came out with the P211-GTO, and when I found out that it ran 320 mags, I was like, I gotta have this in my life, which basically is the answer to the Staccato. I couldn't get my hands on one, guys. They came out with this gun months and months ago. I kept going online, not available, not available, not available. Big shout out to my boy DJ Shipley. I called DJ, I said, DJ, I know you got a relationship with Sig. Can you connect me so I can buy a P211? He said, absolutely, brother, let me connect you to Sig. Reached out, I talked to him, one of the guys from marketing, amazing guy. He said, hey man, you were supposed to get a Sig when you were on the Sean Ryan show. And I said, man, I think I was a little early before you guys had developed that relationship, before Sean did that rocket ship ride and, you know, up there along with Rogan. And he said, well, you know what, man, I tell you what, if you guys didn't get one, then I want to send you one. So big shout out to Sig. They put a P211, the mail for me, and I am super stoked, guys. The official unboxing. Drum roll, please. So guys, this gun is pure, unadulterated sexiness. I mean, it's like John Wick meets James Bond, and they had a baby called the Sig P211-GTO. But pretty amazing platform. This thing is so light, so amazing. It just feels good, man. Feels good in the hand. The spring tension. I mean, I know some of the springs, you really take time to break in, but I am really excited to put some rounds through this gun and take it to town. So that's what we're gonna do. First time shooting my new P211 GTO. Let's see how this goes. Not bad, man. That feels good. That feels good. Let's go a little more. Yeah, we're gonna put a little oiler up.
Good to go.
All right, first run through, super smooth, man. It's a nice shooting gun. What a beautiful, beautiful piece of hardware that Sig has made, man. I think this will become my new primary. No mags. Yeah, that's pretty good at 25.
Yeah.
Man, that shoots smooth. Boy, that is nice.
Final verdict?
Man, final verdict. Sig P211-GTO, everything it's chalked up to be, everything they talked about. This is going to be definitely my new primary. Amazing. Sig, huge shout out, super well made. I'm excited. For years, I was a diehard P226 guy, what we grew up on in the SEAL teams. I switched over to 320. That became my favorite gun. This is now my new favorite gun. Thank you, Sig. Big shout out.